Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Bridgetta and today I'm making another delicious dessert called Oreo mini cheesecakes. This is what you're going to need. Have the original Oreos, 1 egg, vanilla extract, almond bark in 2 flavors, vanilla and chocolate, butter, sugar, salt, regular cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, and sour cream. I put 14 Oreos in the food processor and now we're going to crush those. They're going to be the crust of our Oreo cheesecake. Here's our Oreo crumbs. Here's our melted butter. And once it's combined, we're going to put it in the bottom of our muffin cups. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons or maybe 1.5 in each cup. We want to try and get it as equal as possible. Now, I chose these kind of liners because when the Oreo cheesecakes are all done, right before we serve them, when you take them out of the paper, they're going to have the indentations from this kind of muffin cup. If you use ones that don't have this, it's not as pretty. So I like these. So I'm going to go around 1 tablespoon to start with and then figure from there how much more they're going to need. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness. So now I'm going to use the bottom of this glass cup to push it into the muffin liner. Try and get it as even as possible. And this is forming our crust for the bottom of our cheesecake. It's going to look like that. It's all done. All right, we'll move on to our next step, which is the filling. Okay, I've set my oven to preheat at 350. We're now going to do the filling. So come over here to my bowl. Excuse me.
What?
And Dora's talking.
What?
We don't know what she's saying.
What do you want?
If she could only talk. If we understood cat. All right, here's an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. There we go. Then we have sour cream, whipping cream, which I slightly overfilled and is now spilling, sugar, 1 egg, vanilla extract, and salt. All right, now we're going to mix. And it helps when you plug it in all the way. All right, this is our filling. It's ready to go. It's all mixed. And I'm going to put 1 to 2 tablespoons in each cup. And then it'll be ready to go into the oven. Just like before, I'll start with 1 tablespoon, go all the way around, and I'll come back with a 2nd tablespoon. I filled our muffin cups, and now it took about 3.5 tablespoons to fill each one of them. A little more than I thought, but that's okay because we want them as full as possible. I have my 2 empty spots, and I'm going to fill it with water to help with possible cracking that can happen with cheesecake. And then it's ready to go in the oven. Again, at 350 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, we're now going to test it. We're going to use our toothpick. So I'm going to be careful getting this out. Very hot. So far, so good.
Ooh, it smells good.
It does smell good. And it hasn't cracked, so let's see. We're either at 5 or 10 more minutes to go. Ooh, it's almost clean. Okay.
What's that mean?
When it comes out clean like that, it means it's ready. I want to check another spot, or almost ready. I still have some on the toothpick. Oh yeah, we got to go a little further. So we'll split the difference, maybe about 10 more minutes. All right, gonna get it back out. I am gonna check it again, but they should be ready. Let's see. Much better. Well, I'm going to put it in a few more minutes. But I am going to go ahead and tell you, even though I'm putting it back in the oven for about 5 more minutes, that once we take it out, we're going to let them chill for about 3 hours before we do the final touch, which is decorating them. All right, we've let the mini cheesecakes chill, and don't be alarmed when you notice they are cracked and they are concave in the middle. We're going to cover that. You're never going to know. So our next step is we're going to add our almond bark. I've melted, in case you've never seen it before. They come in cubes. So I just took 1 cube, melted it in the microwave, and that's what I'm going to cover these with. All right, so I'm just going to drizzle it. And any design that you want. So I buy this almond bark at Walmart, but I'm sure plenty of other stores sell it too. But this is the ones that I like. So just keep going. And then I'm going to alternate it with the vanilla almond bark. A little more over here. I'll turn this. Let's get a little different pattern. All right. Next, the taste test. It's weird to be on this side.
We switched sides from what we usually do.
I know, mix it up a little bit. Well, first of all, I want to say thank you to Helen for this beautiful dish towel. It's really nice. It looks great in my kitchen. I really appreciate that. Thank you. And now we're going to try the Oreo mini cheesecakes.
Amazing.
See, you can't even tell that there was a dimple in the middle. And that's happened to me before. There's times that it's turned out great and other times that's happened. It's like everything else, it takes practice.
Look at that baby.
Ooh, I like that. Oops, I'm losing pieces. Okay, wait a minute.
Cover me. I'm going in.
All right, cheers. Wow. That tastes good.
So the Oreo crust, instead of a graham cracker crust on the bottom,
Exactly.
the size of a little cupcake.
Yeah. And so you can see the ridges in there from the foil liner. It's really good.
They are delicious.
I like it. All right. But we're going to finish this off camera. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We're definitely going to enjoy these. Thanks for watching again. We'll see you next time
Thank you.
with some more great recipes. Bye-bye.